Welcome to the Hair Transplant Network. Our channel was created to educate prospective patients about the reality of hair transplant surgery. We were one of the first hair loss forums created circa 1999. Our philosophy has and will always be learning as a community about proven hair loss treatments and surgeons through sharing real reviews and experiences. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best hair transplant results ever shown on our forum, possibly even the internet. If you're a subscriber, you've probably heard me talk about the illusion of density. The illusion of density is the foundation of modern day hair transplantation. The illusion of density dictates that only 50% of your native density is needed to have the appearance of a full head of hair. But the reality is that you do not have a full head of hair. You will need your hair at a certain length, certain hairstyles to keep this illusion. But as with everything in life, there are exceptions, phenomenons, things which cannot be explained by modern science. So today, I present to you Aftermath. Aftermath started losing his hair in his late teens. On the bus one day, one of his classmates commented that his hairline was receding. Those words would play on loop in his head. By the time he was 22, his hairline was receding rapidly, and by the time he turned 26, well, it was gone. Aftermath has had 3 hair transplants with over 7,000 grafts from his hairline to his crown with Dr. Hasson of Hasson and Wong. He doesn't have the illusion of density, he has true density.